This video shows how you can count the number of unique sales in Google spreadsheet. For example, here is one column, and what I want to do is I want to find out all the unique sales, like sales that contains unique values. So for that you use this function count unique and then give the range b1 to b8. So here you can see the output of this particular method is 6. That means there are 6 unique values in this particular range: 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. This Melbourne is duplicate, that's why it is being counted at just 1. So that's why this output of this particular function is 6, because there are 6 unique values in this particular range. That's how you can use this function count unique to count the unique sales in specified range in Google spreadsheet. Thanks for watching this video.